is the unboxing video for the head-up display car. I already own one of these, but while I was boosting the battery, I forgot to disconnect it. Or actually, I didn't know that I should disconnect it, and I seem to have burnt out something in the one that I have, so it doesn't show the speed anymore. It just keeps on flashing HUD in the display, and I've tried to reset it, but it just doesn't reset, so I decided to get a replacement. So that's the outside of the box. There's tape here, so I have to cut. So you open it, you see the head-up display device here. It's in plastic. There you go. The back, one side. It has a power plug there, and I lift this up. You can see the cable. Looks different than the one I have because this part's clear. The one I have, this part's black. Then the non-slip pad. And the instruction manual. And that's, oh, one more. This is the, you put on your windshield so it doesn't, or it reflects more properly. I don't use it because I don't want something stuck to the windshield. Just a tip about this non-slip pad is that if you leave it like I've left it in the sun with the device on it, and it melted, and it's actually stuck to my dashboard now, so I'm gonna have to fight to get it off. So that's the bad thing about this non-slip pad, is you leave it in the sun day and night throughout the whole summer for many years like I have, it actually will melt and get stuck to your dashboard and the device. So currently mine is stuck to the dashboard and stuck to the device, so I'm gonna have to hopefully be able to remove it and install the new one. But just wanted to show you what's in the box. This is the second time I bought it, but the first time I bought it from a different seller, but that seller seems to not be selling it anymore, so I bought it from a different seller that's on Amazon. I don't know which one. There were so many that were selling the same device. Anyway, thanks for watching.